lot of RF materials don't come in the variety of thicknesses. Talking about the cores and prepregs, they don't come in the variety of thicknesses the RF that HSD materials or high-speed digital materials come in. So if you wanted to do, some different things in the high-speed digital side, but also have the RF properties, you're going to want to be able to mix those materials. So it's just something that's becoming very, very popular.
It's just amazing because I've worked with hybrid constructions before, but it just sounds like it's becoming more of like, I don't know, like gourmet cooking, like mixing all these, wide variety, of things together. Plus new materials are becoming available, which is exciting because, again, it's like new media, for a designer that you can work with and work around to get the performance you want. So it's pretty cool to hear about.